Alright, what's up guys? This is the sequel to the Windows Server 2003 video where I actually um install it. Yeah, hang on. So, yeah, let's do it. I'm excited about uh whoa. Okay. So I have it set up with remote desktop connection with RDP, and I am not thinking properly. Sorry about that. I have it set up with RDP, and I got I had issues with the Ethernet driver, but I figured it out. So and yeah. So yeah, it's on Ethernet, or it's on the internet. So I thought it'd be cool to do something with it. So I have a CD or a USB with Windows Virtual Server 2005, I believe R2 on it. We're gonna try and install that and see if that works. Is that? I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, the port is 1024. Um, sorry. There. Um, I will be back. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I have inserted the disk. My main computer's upstairs, um, on the second floor, and this server's in the basement. So, I also have to activate it. Don't want to do that right now. Um, how do I do this? Okay, hang on. Let me check this error out. Okay, I got it. It's installing right now. We don't need any of this anymore. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see here. Let's go to, Let's go in Chrome. I'll be back on Chrome. Okay, so it's asking for username and password. I'm going to assume that's the Windows password. There we go. There we go. Unexpected error. Hang on again. Okay, I can't exactly figure out what's going on with it, but if you're interested in me actually figuring that out and figuring out what's happening, please let me know. But yeah, here we are. I did. I finally. It took quite a bit because there were driver issues, but I literally have Server 2003 running now, so it's pretty cool. And I'll continue to look into what's going on with that. But yeah, if you want to see that, please let me know. I can make a video on it. But for now, I'm gonna be done. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.